Hi viewers, this is Malvika Saikia. I am the founder of Gallery Art Cradle. I am very proud to present Hands of Shakti, a transformative project aimed at empowering the underprivileged women of different diverse background.
Hi, I'm Sahani Sehgal. I currently study in grade 11 at the Shri Ram School, Mulsuri. So I started this project in January 2023, right before my 9th grade finals were about to start. This project was actually inspired by my sister. So my sister has special needs, and when she graduated from school, my mother and I created a business for her where she could do simple yet creative tasks that would keep her occupied throughout the day. And these tasks could be monetized, so in the future it would give her a sense of financial stability. So a lot of the women a lot of underprivileged women who used to work for us, or used to keep coming in and out of the house, they really enjoyed the work, and there was something that drew them to it. It was almost like they were craving, they were desperate to do something that they enjoy, and something about the work environment was attracting them. So they decided to, so then I decided that these tasks are so simple, why not empower other women who aren't necessarily allowed to work, or who are in very vulnerable positions in life where either their families don't allow them to work, or they just don't have the skill set to find a job. Through my project, I can provide them with opportunities where they can do simple yet creative tasks from the comfort of their own homes and take a step towards financial freedom. So currently at Hands of Shakti, we've worked with 3 organizations so far. We worked with the JMC Community Outreach Program, we worked with the Vikasa Foundation in Gurgaon, and we worked with the Parivar Seva Sanstha in Mewat. And all the flowers that you see here in all of these paintings have been collected from these 3 groups of women. So we used to go to all of these places in my summer break, because obviously I'm in school just now, so in my summer break we used to go to all of these 3 places and we used to train them. So we chose very simple objects such as the flower and these pumpkin balls that were easy for them to pick up on, but yet they're so simple and beautiful. And all of these artworks I've done using acrylic. The point of, they're all quite simplistic, and the reason was because we want the flowers to shine and the women's hard work to come through the paintings. So all of these are yet simple symbols, and the colors just bring out the work of the women. So we've upcycled these simple jewelry boxes with flowers to add some sort of beauty to them, and this increases the value of the boxes as well. We've also created bandhan vase just now because the festive season is going to come, so people can decorate their houses using this. We've also upcycled these diaries and added tiny handmade flowers that add some sort of beauty to them. These are little mementos that if people can pick up if they necessarily don't want to buy the artworks. This is just something they can take away from the show. And yeah.